tight in the welding area, 2 welders there, and then there's just one table and there's a cheap little divider in between if you want to do it. There's not really too many applications for welding right there. Maybe a better gluing station too, because that gets pretty crowded, especially when there's a lot of stuff to work on. Planer for sure, we don't have a good planer. If we had a nice storage area to put all our projects, I mean like a big one, because people build tables.
Depending upon the projects we're doing, it requires a certain amount of space, especially group projects. And if we have only a certain number of stations for those groups, for instance, in our classroom we have 6 stations, 6 stations of 4 individuals. And so if I'm forced to separate out for space constraints into 2 separate rooms in order to facilitate small group activities, that means that there is a subset of my class that is operating without my input and my help.
I think we would have more space to just make our work better. Right now we're pretty crammed here, only having 2 welders that work and only a couple tables here that are good. The shop, if somebody's trying to work on their project and other people are nearby and using power tools, it can turn dangerous quick if something small goes wrong.
What's included in the plan? The funding for question 1 would go towards providing more classroom space, improve learning areas, and would address building maintenance improvements at our elementary school. The funding from question 2 would provide more space for career and technical education and small group learning areas at our secondary school. How much will a referendum cost? Owners of a median-priced home of $250,000 would see an increase of approximately $9.42 per month if question 1 passes. If both questions pass, it would cost taxpayers a total of about $10 per month, or an additional 48 cents per month for question 2. Early voting is now open. District residents can vote early by mail or in person at the district office in our secondary school. Otherwise, election day is on Tuesday, November 2nd, and residents can vote at either City Hall, Lake Park, or Audubon.
Please educate yourself and learn all you can about the upcoming referendum at LPA pavetheway.com. And remember to vote on or before November 2nd.